Chevra, how do you pronounce this word? I'm trying to figure it out for the last 5 years. How do you say that word? Soulier, Solar. Came up with that best of it next to me. I think that's why you have the name. You want anybody to try to scratch their heads. How do you say the name? Soulier? Anyway, Dudi, what's an nice time, dude?
Okay, by the way, the name is Soulier. So it's a French word.
Soulier?
Yeah.
So Chevra,
pronounces, I'm not so sure.
anyway, you got a grand location, the corner of 13 and 46, center location in Borough Park. So me and Mincha do jeden Tag zwei Zeiger.
3:30.
3:30. See that? That's why I always missed it. I'm almost about the main. What's going to do forehand? Come on with details.
Okay, so basically, we're having a sale right now. All shoes are between $15 and $25 off.
Nice.
And we have a nice selection over here that is 50% off. We have a lot of Alfredos. This Bakabuchi is normally $120. Now
What's that there?
Now it's $60.
$60, half off. Now can I ask you why it's half off?
It's regular shoes, nothing wrong with the shoes. The only reason is why we're selling for so cheap is because it's from last season and we're trying to push it out.
That's it, you're trying to push out the old shoes from last season. It's brand new shoes. Look at the sheikh, Chevra.
Look at this. This normally is $240. Now you can get it for $120.
What's that? Wie old ga je maar gezegd? Kick of the sheikh. Wow. Shine get the sheikh. Beautiful shoes for half price.
By the way, in some of our company was heist Joya. Wer staat nog eens gegeven van de company?
It's missing out in life.
Is missing out in life, exactly. Look at the sole.
It's a tata sole. This is a tata sole. What's that? So zegt de eine field we walked in the lift with them.
This is very comfortable shoe. Mensen some problems with the feet, problems with the hips. Ik heb mensen some gedacht om surgeries. Dat kan maar zeggen schoig. Val deze gekoopt deze shoe. Maar ik wacht weer een normale mens.
In the mall of the shoe, what I say so, the way it looks to me, it doesn't have that outside look.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean?
That's the idea of it.
A lot of people are embarrassed to walk around with those SES. What's it called, that company?
That's
The Zaidi Sheikh SES. I feel it's comfortable. The look is what matters for some people. Deze Sheikh had a look, mid the feel. So Tatas, Zaides in geladen boeken, you can wear that shoe. Laat me, what's nog dit zich doen? I'm net schon ja.
Okay, so Baruch Hashem, the store is very friendly to customers. A customer komt eraan daarvan, dus ik kan me vragen, wat is de prijs van deze shoe? Wat is de prijs van deze shoe? Every shoe has a label with the price. And
Nice. I like that. You're on the campaign. Show the prices.
Absolutely.
Show the prices. Don't hide it. I like that. So jede sheikh had a price. Nothing is hidden. Kaltavas is ook do aan komt eraan in tug. So this is a no-brainer. A shiny sheikh from Mirage. It was Lobo. Do my famous Lobo, my friend Mr. Lobo, Mr. Farkas. You know why it's called Lobo?
why is it called Lobo?
I'll let you figure it out, Kev. The challenge is on. Why is it called Lobo, the shoe? I like it. Very nice. Very cool shoe. I discussed it once in the vlog when I did with him. He has very nice quality shoes. All styles, all designs. Soulier. The phone number is
718-475-4711.
Kev, how long is the sale going for? I guess it still goes out.
It's going for another week.
For another week?
Yes.
So Kev, all shoes half price over here for another week. Beautiful Giac shoes, beautiful all styles, quality sneakers. Come to Zimmerjetz, Giac, Skip, Soulier, Fegi, the Umi's good sneakers and shoes. Make sure you go. Coming over here, 13th and 46 on the corner. Who can tell that you saw the video? Make sure you get the customer service like he promised.